Come, children, let's look at this question first. The extra
Caleb,
exam. Yes, hi, Caleb.
Can you change your name?
Why?
Change your name.
Why?
Change your name.
Okay, fine. All right, but you all know that I got a twin brother, right? Really? His name is... All right. Okay, come, children, take a look at this extra exam question, please. Take a look at it. Can you try to find the area of square B? Right. By today, right, you already know all the topics already. Hello, Evan. All right, so can you please try, everybody, go to the chat and give me an answer. All right, what is the area of square B? Give it a try, please. Okay, this one is not easy. You can try. Lavanya, thank you for your answer. And it's correct. Caleb, wow, correct. All right, Lavanya first. Lavanya, girl power. Good try, but it's not correct. You want to try again? All right, can I have just one more answer? Just one more answer. So children, just to let you know, right, this week is week 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. We'll be all doing revision. All right, we'll be continuing with our revision. All right, and remember for primary 3, your aim is to get full marks. All right, full marks for your examination. You can do it. All right, try your best. Shiloh, thank you for your answer. Vanishnabi, thank you for your answer, but it's incorrect. Even, thank you for your answer, but it's incorrect. All right, come. Children, let's take a look at this together, shall we? I know it's not easy. I know it's not easy. All right, so let's just take a look at this together. Come. All right, but again, this type of question, right, it appears in some other school. So I need to try to expose you to this type of question so that at least in future, if it comes out, right, you have a basic idea of what is happening. Ready, children? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, sorry. So the figure below is made up of square A. This is a square A. And square B, this is a square B. The length of square A, which means down here, children, look. Down here, this purple portion is called the length of square A. The length is twice. Twice means what? Twice means 2 times. All right, twice means 2 times the length of square B. So this is square B, the length. Is that okay? All right, so what's the meaning of twice? Twice actually means, right, if you can draw a model, right, it will look something like that. It means 2 units, right? This is called twice. This is for A. And for B, all right, the length of B will be something like that. Can you see? Can? And what do we know, children? What do we know? Who write 196? Vanishnavi, no, it's not correct. But thanks for trying. All right, thanks for trying. Come. Focus on me already. Focus on me. Right, children, focus on me. Come. All right. So down here, right, down here, focus on me. Hey, children, I'm serious. All right, continue. So the questions gives you that the total length is 21 cm. Can you see not? The total length is 21. So it means that down here the total is what? Total length is 21. Are you still following me? So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3. So we can say that 3 units, right, is actually equal to 21 cm. We can always find the 1 unit first. 1 unit will be simply 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7 cm. Children, can you see this? Can you see this? Vanishnavi, you gave me the answer is actually for area of A, but the question is looking for area of B. You are very close, Vanishnavi. You are very good. All right, but you need to answer the question accordingly. No careless mistake from you. All right, try your best. You can do it. So the length, right, of B is actually 1 unit, which is actually a 7 cm. Is that okay? All right, so down here is 7 cm. Down here is 7 cm. The question is looking for the area of square B. Area means down here, children, which is a simple, all right, simple of 7 times 7. Right, that's how Lavanya and that's how Caleb got the answer. Is that okay, children? Yes, Lavanya, go, quick. All right. Yes, Ruben, I see you. All right, thanks for joining us. All right, just now got an imposter, just now, really. Your word behind is imposter, right? Imposter means somebody who tried to bluff the identity of somebody. Yeah. So just now before the lesson, there's imposter, right? Of Burn Ong, right? He came in to try to prank the students just now. Very bad. Right. So try to come to class early, okay? If not, you don't know what we are talking about. All right, so children, can understand this question or not? Vanishavi, can? All right, be careful. They are looking for area or B. You're very good. All right, but you have to answer the right question, please. Can? Shiloh can understand? Can, okay. Can, even can, Wen Xing and Jane, can you please turn on the video if you can? Anne, okay or not? Okay, Anne is Anne and Jane is eating. I know. So it's okay. It's okay. You can eat. No worry. Right. You can make us all hungry. All right. Just want to know that you are behind the screen. All right. That's all. Okay. So this extra exam question, please know how to do it. All right. Do with confidence. All right. Your test is coming and all this. All right. Don't worry. You are fully prepared. Okay. Nothing to worry about. Can? Okay, come. So now we go into the worksheet, right? I only saw 5 students who did the work. Huh. All right, the rest, why? Too busy, is it?
But I didn't finish, so I couldn't actually submit.
Yeah, okay, don't worry. All right, don't worry. All right, I know that now because of the... but today is like the science PSLE paper, right? So you guys never go to school, right? You guys are at home, right? You guys are at home and you never do my homework.
I went to school.
Okay,
we went to school.
Okay, sorry.
I went to school.
I see, Ivan. Okay, sorry. Okay, you all went to school, is it? Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know. All right, and children, just want to say Happy Children's Day. All right, so this week is the Children's Day, right? Yeah, I believe that you guys should celebrate a little bit, all right? Because children are amazing, right? You all got a lot of holidays and all this. All right, so go and have a bit of fun over the weekends, okay? All right, so maybe this week we try not to have any homework question, okay? Okay, come. So moving into the worksheet, right? Worksheet number 38, question 1. Right, worksheet 38, question 1. Okay, so can you please look at this question? All right, so I see that Caleb, Kayla, Lavender, and Shiloh got this question correct. Good job. All right, the rest of you, do you know which is the greatest and which is the smallest? So these are a question, right, children? Always, right? Always greatest, right? I would write the word great down here. Do you know that? All right. And the smallest, right? I'll write the word small down here. Why do you write these words? All right, children, because I'm a very visual kind of person. So I need to see the word. Means that, okay, down here must be the biggest fraction. Down here must be the smallest fraction. So I will not make any careless mistake, children. Just to let you know. All right, so I seldom make careless mistake because I have all these words in my face. Can you see not? So down here, which is the greatest fraction? Which is the smallest fraction? Okay. So as you know, we cannot just compare like that. We can use one method which is called looking at the denominator. All right. We use something called equivalent fraction to bring the denominator to be of the same number. All right. We use equivalent fraction, make the denominator the same number. So for example, 2 over 3, right? Versus 3 over 4 and 1 over 6. Right, children, look at the denominator. 3, 4, and 12. What is common? Tell me, anyone? So you think of the 3 timetable. 3, 6, 9, 12. Think of the 4 timetable. 4, 8, 12. They can all become 12. Very good, Ruben. Thank you so much. So down here, right, the denominator, I purposely set everyone to the denominator of 12 first. So I use the knowledge of equivalent fraction. 3 times 4, 2 also must times 4. Why? Fairness. Fairness, all right? 4 times 3 is 12. 3 also must times 3. Fairness. Fairness. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. So whatever you give to the denominator, you must give to the numerator. That's called fairness. Who is the number 1? Biggest. This is the greatest. All right. But please do not write 9 over 12 here. Children, do not write 9 over 12 here. Very dangerous. All right. Because there's no 9 over 12 in the question. So 9 over 12 is represented by 3 over 4. You are supposed to write 3 over 4 here. So children, please be careful. That's the greatest. Who is the smallest? The smallest is actually 1 over 6. and the odd one out. The odd one out is 2/3 is actually in the center. And that will be your answer. Is that okay, children? All right, so very simple. All right, sure come out for your exam one when they ask you about equivalent fraction, you must know how to react. All right, so equivalent fraction means that what? For example, here, you times 4. Down here also must times 4. Down here times 3. Down here also must times 3. So whatever you give to the numerator, you must give to your denominator. You have to be fair. Understand? Can? Okay, so that is the way to do it. Okay. Okay, next question. Are you ready? Shi-En, are you okay? Okay, very good. All right, so the next question, very simple, is talking about something called parallel and perpendicular. Remember? Remember the word parallel? The word parallel, can you see the spelling? Can you see not?
I never got to submit my work.
Can you see that these two lines, right, very set. These two lines never ever meet. That's why it's called parallel. Can? Okay, so the opposite will be a perpendicular, whereby it forms a 90 degrees. That's the meaning of perpendicular. All right, you must know these two words very importantly. All right, so Ruben was giving me the previous answer, which is 3, 4, 2/3 and 1/6. Correct, Ruben. Smart. All right, and Kayla is giving me the answer for the 2A. Is it CD? Yes, correct. All right, Kayla is correct. CD. So they're looking for parallel to MM. This is
My
MN.
answer as well.
This is MN. All right, so which line is parallel? You can actually slide your ruler down. All right, the only answer is this. Can CD. So Shiloh, I think you see wrongly. This one is it's not VU. Can you see that VU is not parallel? Shiloh, in your worksheet, I think you make a mistake. Right, it's not VU. Can? Parallel means that the two lines never ever meet. Is that okay, Shiloh? Please be careful. Right, it's actually CD. Can? And you're supposed to name a line that's perpendicular to AB. Where's AB? AB is this red line over here. All right, so you got to look for the 90 degrees. I always use the corner of my ruler.
I typed in my answer.
I always look at the corner of the ruler to find out where is the 90 degrees, right? The corner. Yes, Ruben, I heard you the first time and I saw your message in the chat and your answer is correct. So is Kayla's answer. All right. However, when I'm explaining, can you please do not on your microphone? All right. You want to say something, you raise your hand first. That is the rule. All right. After you raise your hand, then I give you permission to speak. Is that okay? Right, because it's not very nice that you can speak and the rest didn't have the chance to speak. Can? Ruben, can you? All right. So once you started it, then the rest will, try to do it the same thing again. Right. So please do not do that. If you have something to say, just raise your hand. I will give you permission to speak. Yes, Shi-En, your answer is correct. Kayla, your answer is correct. All right. And of course, Ruben, your answer is correct. So using the corner of the ruler, right, you can see that down here, it actually forms the 90 degrees. Right, down here, it forms the 90 degrees. Right, bottom also down here, it also forms the 90 degrees down here. All right, so EF is perpendicular to AB. That's the answer. Is that okay, children? So this is actually from your worksheet. It's very simple, children. Then why aren't you doing? Hiya. Okay, it's okay, don't worry. Okay, come. So one more extra question coming up for you. Can you all please take a look at this question? Check this out. All right. Please give me the answer into the chat when you're ready. Okay, I saw Lavenia's answers. Good, very good. Hey, the two numbers down here, the two numbers here are the same number. All right, so Lavenia, your answer is correct. But Shavi, wow, girl power, my goodness. Ladies, woo. Yes, Caleb, yes. The boys are coming back. All right, so we have We have Lavanya and Vanishnavi and Caleb got it right already.